HEDERA HASHGRAPH set to power India. Huge CBDC news. India's driving specialized university, Indian Institute of Technology, MADRAS, ITM, joins the HEDERA Governing Council to grow its research impression in distributed ledger technology. We'll discuss the details further into the video. Hello guys, and welcome back to our crypto channel. Today, in this video, we'll be discussing current updates, price updates, and how HBAR will help India make progress in the technological sector. So stick with us until the end to find out, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. But let's get started. The all-around-the-world famous technology university joins a rotating council of up to 39 worldwide organizations that are from a diverse exhibit of industries and geographies, and each runs on an underlying network node that enables the decentralized administration model for the HEDERA public ledger. As a recently appointed member of the HEDERA Governing Council, IIT Madras will also use its term on the HEDERA Council to increase its R&D efforts in the DLT space, testing use cases utilizing key services such as the HEDERA Consensus Service and the HEDERA Token Service. Speaking with regards to this collaboration, said Professor Prabhu Rajagopal, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Madras, who leads remote diagnostics at IIT Madras Center for Non-Destructive Evaluation, CNDE, said, "We have identified enormous potential in HEDERA HASHGRAPH, currently the most used and sustainable public ledgers available today, and we anticipate using the HEDERA Consensus and Token Services to study potentially historic new use cases." IIT Madras is recognized all around the world for spearheading work in areas such as renewable energy, telecommunications, non-destructive testing, biomedicine, healthcare, and information and communication technologies, ICT, and its famous tech alumni community. Further, Professor Prabhu Rajagopal said, "With this network, we expect to carry substantial value to the HEDERA Governing Council, utilizing our expertise in practical and creative technological solutions to assist other council members and organizations being used case advancement. I'm especially enthused by the chance to test and scale our solutions in blockchain-moved information systems in healthcare, industry, and digital media." Professor Rajagopal's group is interested in the securitization of enormous-scale digital datasets arising from sensor logs, which was the underlying catalyst for their interest in blockchain and distributed ledgers. IIT Madras' appointment to the HEDERA Governing Council comes just weeks after the London School of Economics and Political Science, LSE, one of the UK's top universities, announced its membership to the HEDERA Governing Council, bolstering the council's job inside academia. Established in 1956, IITs at Madras and several other Indian cities count Google CEO SUNDAR PICHAI and former president of the SoftBank Group, NIKESH ARORA, among its alumni. Vinod Khosla, co-founder of Sun Microsystems and founder of Khosla Ventures, noted to CBS that the IITs likely are the hardest school on the planet to get into, to the best of my insight. Viewed as one of the top universities on the planet, IIT has established research expertise in DLT, served as a hatchery for India's national blockchain project, and, most as of late, created BLOCKTRACK, a first-of-its-sort blockchain-based secure clinical data and information trade portable application for use by both clinical providers and patients. BLOCKTRACK aims to securely digitize healthcare information systems while ensuring sensitive clinical records by decentralizing the control and ownership of patient data, and is right now being field-tested at IIT Madras Institute Hospital. The expansion of IITM to the HEDERA Governing Council is a significant and invigorating improvement for the HEDERA community and the wider DLT industry. Since the commencement of IIT, its alumni and scholastic staff have made substantial contributions to earth-shattering research in technology and development. This brings enormous value to the HEDERA Council and will without a doubt guide the improvement of basic use cases based on the HEDERA network. Combined with the appointment of LSE and the continuous work being finished by the University College London, UCL, this marks one more striking step forward for the relationship among academia and the decentralized economy, said Mance Harmon, CEO and co-founder of HEDERA HASHGRAPH. About HEDERA HASHGRAPH. HEDERA HASHGRAPH is the most used, sustainable, enterprise-grade public network for the decentralized economy. The platform is administered by a council of the world's driving organizations, including Avery Dennison, Boeing, Chainlink Labs, Dentons, Deutsche Telekom, DLA Piper, EDF, Électricité de France, EFTPOS, FIS, WorldPay, Google, IBM, the Indian Institutes of Technology, IIT, LG Electronics, the London School of Economics and Political Science, LSE, Magalu, Nomura Holdings, Shinhan Bank, Standard Bank Group, Swirlds, Tata Communications, University College London, UCL, Wipro, and Zain Group. Special features of HEDERA. HEDERA relies on an exceptional communication protocol that is not the same as proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. The HEDERA distributed ledger runs on a group of nodes operated by huge companies like Google and IBM using a gossip protocol calculation to ensure fast, minimal expense transactions. According to HEDERA, the network can deal with an excess of 10,000 transactions per second with a 3 to 5 second settlement and confirmation time. The normal cost of a transaction on HEDERA is just 1/10 of a penny, requiring a fraction of the energy consumed by the best-known blockchains. The most effective method to mine HEDERA. The consensus behind the HEDERA network comes from the various powerful nodes that communicate with the gossip protocol, pushing late transaction histories from local nodes out into the network for very fast settlement times. Instructions to buy HEDERA. In the event that you decide the HBAR coin is appropriate for your cryptocurrency portfolio or strategy, consider these tips to purchase and store your digital currency. Wallets. To store HBAR currency, you'll need a compatible cryptocurrency wallet. Significant software wallets with HEDERA compatibility incorporate Atomic Wallet, Coinomi, Exodus, and others. For hardware wallets, your best bet today is Ledger. However, different wallets might be included in the future. As with any cryptocurrency, just send HBAR to a compatible wallet address. Keep your wallet information and backup codes secret and secure, as they enable anybody to open your wallet and access your holdings. Transaction times. According to HEDERA, the normal transaction completes in 3 to 5 seconds with conclusive confirmation. Fees and expenses. Fees on the HEDERA network are paid for with HBAR currency. The normal cost per transaction comes out to 1/10 of a penny when measured in United States dollars. Alternate ways to invest in HEDERA. Several digital wallets offer custodial support for HBAR, opening up opportunities to invest. Custodial wallets with HEDERA support incorporate BitGo, Fireblocks, and Kingdom Trust. While you need a third-party investment manager to use BitGo and Fireblocks, Kingdom Trust offers IRAs and other tax-advantaged accounts to individual users. About IIT Madras. Indian Institute of Technology Madras, IITM, was established in 1959 by the Government of India as an Institute of National Importance. The activities of the institute in various fields of science and technology are completed in 16 scholastic departments and several high-level interdisciplinary research scholarly centers. The institute offers undergraduate and postgraduate programs prompting BTech, MSc, MBA, MTech, MS, and PhD degrees in an assortment of specializations. IITM is a residential institute with an excess of 600 faculty and 9,500 students. Students from 18 countries are selected here. IITM fosters a functioning pioneering culture with strong curricular support and through the IITM Incubation Cell. IITM has been positioned number 1 in the overall category for the 3rd consecutive year in India Ranking 2021 released by the National Institutional Ranking Framework, Ministry of Education, Government of India. The institute has also been positioned number 1 in the Engineering Institutions class in the same rankings for 6 consecutive years, from 2016 to 2021. It was also declared as the top imaginative institution in the country in ATAL ranking of institutions on innovation achievements, ARIIA, in 2019 and 2020. ARIIA ranking was dispatched by the Innovation Cell of the Ministry of Education. Do like this video, also subscribe and share to our crypto channel. Do let us know your thoughts about how HEDERA will be able to change and develop more in its ecosystem in the comments section.